Hi friends, welcome back to Kindly Simple. This is where life is made simple. If you're looking for a meaningful and affordable housewarming gift, I got you. This gift goes over with warmth, love, and value to the receiver. It goes way beyond the typical houseplant with a bow, or cut flowers that die within days. Today's idea is going to be your new favorite gift to give for most any holiday. Not only for a housewarming gift, but also makes a great get-well gift. Also for birthdays, Christmas, Easter, and just about any other reason. Instead of giving just any plant, let's give one that cleans the air and carries a special meaning. No electricity needed. A gift that says welcome home, breathe easy, and live well. Be sure not to miss the free printable list that I have pinned in the description. It gives you the meanings and some sayings that you can add to any of your plant gifts. No thinking required, made simple for you. Step 1. Choose your plant. You'll want to start with a small to medium houseplant. Something easy to care for and rich in symbolism. Example here is the peace lily. Here are a few other great choices. 1. Spider plant, the guardian. This cheerful green and white plant represents protection and calm. It's believed to absorb negative energy and promote peace in the home. Care tip: bright, indirect light and water once the soil feels dry. 2. Snake plant, the protector. Strong and upright, this one is said to ward off negativity while cleansing the air. It's a low-maintenance favorite for new homeowners. Care tip: minimal water, great for beginners, and perfect in any light. 3. Peace lily, the peacemaker. With elegant white blooms, this plant symbolizes healing and emotional balance, a beautiful message for anyone starting fresh in a new home. Care tip: keep soil lightly moist and out of direct sun. 4. Pothos, the lucky vine. A symbol of growth, prosperity, and good luck, this trailing vine looks lovely on a shelf or hanging basket. Care tip: let the soil dry a little between waterings. 5. Aloe vera, the healer. Known for its soothing gel and positive energy, aloe symbolizes health and renewal. A wonderful new beginnings plant. Care tip: bright light and very little water. Step 2. Add a simple personal touch to your plant gift. Start with a plain terracotta or ceramic pot. You can add a stick tag, tie a piece of twine with a tag, or even paint on the pot a soft message like welcome home or breathe easy. Use the saying that fits for your gift-giving purpose. Tuck in a small handwritten card that explains the meaning of the plant. For example, this spider plant represents peace and protection. May your new home always feel safe and happy. If you want to go the extra mile, include a little bag or envelope of DIY plant food. Just a tablespoon of Epsom salt with a note that says, mix with 1 gallon of water once a month, keeps your plant lush and happy. Step 3. Presentation. Arrange it all in a basket or wrap it in brown paper with a ribbon. Simple, charming, and full of meaning, your next housewarming gift won't just be a plant with a bow. It'll be a thoughtful reminder of peace, growth, and all kinds of new beginnings. So next time someone moves into a new home, skip the typical gift cards and scented candles. Give them something living, loving, and lasting, and most of all, meaning. Don't forget to like, share, and most of all, subscribe for more kindly, simple ideas that make life just a little simpler and meaningful. See you in the next video!